Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel again. In today's video, you're going to see how to fix the call ended issue on Android phone. So if you're having this problem, just head over to the settings option in here and go to your SIM manager. Now go to your mobile networks or SIM manager. Now here, as you can see, I have two numbers in here. So what I need to do is just to go to a SIM and then just turn it off and turn it on again, and do this again for the same for the second SIM, and then try to call again to the person, and hopefully the problem will be solved. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And if you got any questions regarding this, make sure to comment down below and we'll just reach out to you.